Verdura con mayonesa y pollo. Vegetables with mayonnaise and chicken. A main dish from
You will
Guatemala.
need 12
ingredients.
Serves 2. Step 1.
Slice finely the carrots, string beans, and cabbage, add the peas and cook in a small amount of water. When vegetables are cooked, drain and set aside to cool. Add vinegar, salt, and pepper.
Step 2.
Mix well and chill in
Just
refrigerator.
before
Serving, mix vegetables with chicken and mask with mayonnaise to which has been added 1 tablespoon powdered mustard. Step 3. Add celery, pimento, and parsley, mix well and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.